So you did everything right. You studied hard, cracked exams, got your degree, maybe even passed with distinction. But now what? No job, no interviews, no real confidence. You're stuck. And no one told you it would be like this. But you're not alone. This is what millions of graduates in India are going through. Because here is the truth no one wants to admit. Your degree is not enough anymore. This is Next Web. We talk about what actually works. No fluff, just direction. If you're figuring things out, this channel is for you. Hit the subscribe button and let's grow together. From the time we were kids, we were told the same story. Study hard, get into a good college, and life will be sorted. And then get a job, settle down. That was the formula. But no one told you what to do when that formula breaks. And nobody warned us that most colleges give you just a piece of paper, not real skills, not real world readiness, just a degree. And in today's world, that is just not enough. India produces over 35 million graduates every year. That's more than the population of some countries. But only around 45% are considered employable. And even those who do get jobs often feel unprepared. Why? Because employers are not looking for mocks anymore. They are looking for people who can solve real problems, people who can think, do, and own outcomes, not just follow instructions. Actually, why this happens? Let's be real. Most colleges are stuck in the past. They still teach like it's 1995. All theory, no application, no real feedback, no communication practice, no portfolio. So when you graduate, you have a degree, but you're not job ready. And that gap, it's what leaves so many people stuck. Let's say what employers actually want from any graduates. Open any job portal or go ask any recruiter today. They don't care if you have topped your class. If you can't communicate, solve real problems, or show proof of what you have built. Here is what they actually care about: problem solving, communication, initiative, proof of work, team skills. And if your resume doesn't reflect that, you're invisible. I have seen this happen with people around me. Some of my friends went to top colleges, took years to figure things out, while others, with no big degrees, just focused on learning one or two real world skills. They freelanced, built portfolios, took courses, and they grew faster. It wasn't about where they studied, it was about what they could do. That's the game now. Here is what you can do instead. You don't have to wait for anyone. You don't need a perfect plan. Just start. You don't need permission to start. You don't need to wait till college updates its syllabus. Take a free course, learn design, code, writing, sales, whatever excites you. Do real projects. Share your work online. Work under someone better than you. Every step adds up. You'll be shocked how fast things shift once you stop waiting and start doing. Let's be clear. We are not saying don't get a degree. We are saying don't stop at the degree because the market doesn't care about where you went. It cares about what you bring to the table. Your skills are your currency. They are your leverage. They are your real insurance in this economy. If you are watching this and feeling behind, you're not. You're just early in the real game. A degree might open one door, but your skills will decide whether you stay in the room or not. So stop waiting, start building. You don't need permission. You just need to take the first step. And if this made you think, share it with your friends and tell us in the comments what skills are you building right now. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Next 5 content. Let's grow with skills, not just certificates.